Very good evening to all of you. Today my topic is structure and function of eyes. So if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel and click on bell button. After this, like, share also. So today I am going to teach structure and function of eyes. First, introduction. What? Introduction. About these information about the eyes. Eyes is the gift of creator, gives us the sense of sight. 70% of all sensory receptors are in the eye. Sphered structure, about 2 by 3 the size of a ping pong ball. The main function distinguishes light and dark shape, color, brightness and distance of object. External structure of eye includes bony orbits, eyelids, eyelashes, tears and fat glands. Extraocular muscles, conjunctiva. Bony orbit or eye socket. Most of the eye is enclosed in a bony orbit. Structure: cheekbone, forehead, temple, side of nose. Function: provides protection to the eye. Provide protection to the eyes. Next is eyelid. Next part of eye is eyelid, a thin fold of skin that covers the eye. It is eyelid. Protect eye from foreign matters, dust, dirt, debris. Protect against bright light that might damage the eye. Protect against bright light that might damage the eye. Lubricate the eye surface by distributing tears over the cornea. Lubricate the eye surface by distributing tears over the cornea. You can see in the picture also upper eyelid and lower eyelid. Next, eyelashes or the hairs that grow at the edge of eyelid. It is eyelashes. Protect the eye by filtering out foreign matter. Protect the eye by filtering out foreign matter. Conjunctiva, a thin, clear layer of skin. A thin, clear layer of skin lines of inner surface of eyelid and covers the front surface of the eyeball except the cornea. Lines the inner surface of eyelid and covers the front surface of the eyeball except the cornea. Secrete mucus to lubricate the eye. Secretes mucus to lubricate the eye. Keep bacteria and foreign material from getting behind eyes. Keep bacteria and foreign material from getting behind eye. This is the structure of inner layer of eye. This is the ultrastructure of eyes and labeled also. One by one I will discuss to you each part. Structure of retina, innermost sensitive layer of eye a delicate membrane containing photoreceptors and associated neurons. Innermost sensitive layer of the eye, a delicate membrane containing photoreceptors and associated neurons. Photoreceptors are of two main kinds, rods, cones. Photoreceptors are of two main kinds, rods, cones. Rods, sensitive to dim light, present everywhere in the retina except the fovea. Allow dim light vision and peripheral vision. 125 million rods in the average retina. Rods sensitive to dim light, present everywhere in the retina except the fovea. Allow dim light vision and peripheral vision. 125 million rods in the average retina. Cones, sensitive to bright light, clustered near the center of retina, distinguish color and allow sharp vision. 5 million cones in the average retina. Next is fovea, a depression in the retina directly opposite to lens. A depression in the retina directly opposite a lens, that is fovea. And image is also included in this slide. Fovea contains only cones and no rods. Function to form an extremely clear image. It is directed towards whatever object you are studying most closely. Next, optic disc or blind spot. Students, you can see in the image, this is optic nerve and optic disc. This is optic disc. Blind spot, absence of cones and rods at the optic disc. Absence of cones and rods at the optic disc. No vision is possible here, referred to as blind spot. Optic nerve, the bundle of over 1 billion nerves fiber that carry visual message from the retina to the brain. The bundle of over the billion nerves fiber that carry visual messages from the retina to the brain. Next, this is the structure of brain. Eye directly connected to the brain by optic nerve. Optic nerve connected to the lateral geniculate nucleus and eye, and visual cortex is also labeled in this diagram. Retinal blood vessels. Arteries transmit oxygen and nutrients. Arteries transmit oxygen and nutrients. Veins carry deoxygenated blood from the eye. Veins carry deoxygenated blood from the eye. Function of retina. Transforms light energy to electrical signals. Transforms light energy to electrical signals. Transforms light energy to electrical signals. This is the main structure of eye, chambers of eye. We can see in this slide the posterior chamber and anterior chamber. Aqueous humor, a clear watery fluid in the anterior chamber, nourishes the lens and cornea and help refract light onto the retina. Vitreous humor, a clear gel-like fluid in the posterior chamber, supports the lens and retina and keeps the eye from collapsing. Aids the magnifying power of the eye. Aids the magnifying power of the eyes. Working of the eyes. Light rays coming from object entered through the cornea, progress through pupil and fall on eye lens, which converts light rays and produces a real and virtual image of object on retina. The image thus formed is conveyed to brain by optic nerve in the form of electrical signals, which are seen by the brain as a visual image. Okay students, after this my video is completed. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.